Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Code Canvas. In this video, I will show how you can remove Remember Me option from WordPress login. So as you can see on my screen, we have username and password, and with that we have one checkbox, Remember Me. So sometimes you want to remove this checkbox as some clients needed. So the remember me option is a small checkbox that lets you and your users save their username and password on the WordPress login screen. So in this video, we will see how you can remove this option, the checkbox. Okay. So how it works when you or your users check this remember me box on the WordPress login page. It will store that information in your web browser cookie for 2 weeks. So that means that the next time they are on your site, they can access the dashboard right away without logging the page. So without having to go to the login page, it will automatically log in. So it makes your logging process little bit faster, but sometimes it could be a potential security risk, and maybe some clients do not prefer it. So by disabling this remember me checkbox or removing this remember me checkbox, you have to log every time in your WordPress dashboard, but this is still a good option. Okay, so let's see how we can remove this. So for that, you need to first of all log in into your administrator. Okay, so once you are logged in, we have one plugin called remember me controls. It says that this plugin has been not tested with the latest release, that is WordPress 5.9, but I have tested and it is working fine with the latest updated version as well. So go to plugins, add new. Let me just copy, find for remember me controls. So this is the one. It is not updated since 1 year, but it is working fine, even with the latest WordPress version. So let's see, activate it. Once it is activated, you can see option of this plugin on settings tab. Just wait for a while. Okay, so now go to settings and remember me page. Here you can see many options are available, but if you want to disable this remember me feature, you have to checkbox. Okay, so yeah, there are few options I will show you later. So just click on save changes, and here you need to remember one thing. If this is checked, the remember me checkbox will not appear on the login form, and the login session will last no longer than 24 hours. Okay, so it is now changed. Let me log out, and as you can see, there is no remember me checkbox. Okay, let me log in again. As I have saved that username and password, so I still have to log in. Okay, so let me show you other options. So the first option is remember me checkbox automatically checked. So if I keep it checked, save this, and let me log out. Once I'm logged out, you can see that checkbox is automatically checked. Okay, so every time you don't have to check this manually. Let's go to setting page again. Okay, the next option is remember forever. So if you use this, it will be the login of your user will be remembered forever. But forever it means 100 years, so you can consider it as forever. Okay, so I'm not sure if it is a much useful feature, but still it is that. And you can also give the duration, like how many number of hours you want to keep this remember me checked. Okay, so there are other three options available, but the main usage of this plugin is disable this remember me feature. So if you check, as I showed again, save the settings and log out. Remember me checkbox is not there, so you can use that plugin whenever you are required to remove this remember me checkbox. Also, this is a default WordPress page, so you can use this plugin. But sometimes you might have customized WordPress theme or a customized dashboard. So in that case, you have to do it manually, or you can use WordPress hooks for that. And I will show you some in some other video. For this video, this is the only plugin that we can use. There are a few plugins, but I like this the most. Remember me controls. Okay, and as you can see, there are options available with this plugin as well. All right. Okay, guys, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please give me a like. If you want to see more videos like this, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you have any feedback or questions, kindly leave your comments below this video. That's all for this video. Thank you.